Namaste. Today we learn adaptation in animals. In the previous part, we learn adaptation in plants. There are innumerable animals on the earth. They are such a variety. So, we just to classify them into groups by their eating habits, by their habitats, and by other criteria also. By eating habits, we classify animals into two groups: carnivorous animals, herbivorous animals. By their habitats, we classify animals into aquatic animals, desert animals, snowy region animals, and aerial animals. And there are also reptiles and insects also. Carnivorous animals. The animals who eat other animals for their food called carnivorous animals. Tiger, lion are carnivorous animals. Carnivorous are predators. They hunt and eat other animals to survive. Carnivorous like wolf have large, powerful jaws that help bring down large animals like deer. Herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals are the animals that only eat plants. That animals eat grass and plants. They can be flowers, fruits, nuts, and even wood they can be eat. Horse, cow, rabbit are herbivorous animals. Herbivores have broad, flat molars, back teeth with rough surfaces which are used for grinding up tough plant tissues. Many herbivores, like squirrels, have chisel like front teeth used for gnawing through wood and hard seeds. Desert animals. Deserts are a very hot region where there is a lack of vegetation and water resources. To survive in desert, there is adaptation like camel. Camel have folded nostrils, eyelashes. Camel's folded nostrils keep out the sand from nose and eyes. Hump on the back. Camels use for storing food. Thick skin is very useful for protection of from hot sun, and long legs is useful for keep camel away from hot sand. So camel is the sheep of desert. Other desert animals: small mammals, reptiles, insects. These animals also seek shelter by burrowing into the ground. Just as a basement room is cooler than above ground room, a burrow even a few feet underground can decrease the temperature by several degrees. Another behavioral adaptation used by desert animals is to remain inactive during the hot daylight hours. They hunt at night when temperatures are cool and when there is less risk of losing precious body water. So, desert animals come out at night. Snowy region animals. In snowy region, temperatures are below freezing throughout the year. So there is some adaptation in snowy region animals. Polar bear, caribou, snowy wool, Arctic hare, Arctic fox, narwhal, walrus, musk ox, beluga whale are some of the animals which live in the Arctic. They have long and thick hair on their skin which provide insulation. A thick layer of fat under the skin. These adaptations help maintain body temperature and thus protect animals from cold. Adaptation in aerial animals. The forelimbs of birds are modified into wings. Birds have hollow bones that help them to fly by making their bodies lightweight. Tail in the birds help in changing direction during flight, and also tail acts as a brake, balancing, and helps in changing direction and steering. Insects. The body of insects also light in weight and tapers at both ends. So they can fly with two pairs of wings and also walk with six stick like legs. Bat can fly with the help of patagium and a thin fold of skin between their forelegs and hind legs. Adaptation in reptiles. In reptiles, development of scaly skin which contains the protein keratin and waxy lipids, reducing water loss from the skin. Due to this occlusive skin, reptiles cannot use their skin for respiration, as do amphibians, all breathe with lungs. Reptiles are cold blooded, which means their body temperature is controlled by the environment. Thank you.